Hey, psychology students. Yeah, this is Psych, right? Oh man, it's Sunday night. Hope you all had a good weekend. So I'm posting this video up. I didn't post one last week, right, with the snow and whatnot. We just weren't able to get to the content that I wanted. Yeah, so I'm posting one for this week, and I'll kind of say, let you know what we did last week and what we got going on this week, and just how to submit work and kind of touch base and see how everyone's doing. Hope you're all good. Yeah, I had a good weekend. Just finished dinner. We had some chicken tacos. It was delicious. Tried something new with the beans. It was all right. Um, anyway, hope you all had a good dinner. Let me see what we got going on. So, as usual, I'm going to post this video up on our class Canvas page, and if you go there, you'll see we have the work for week 3 up here, right? And I guess the question we'll be asking is, we've been looking at exploring how the brain works in terms of neurotransmitters, hormones, right? How those things affect your mood and behaviors. We're going to add on to that by throwing in another one is in there called right, oxytocin, and we'll see how that works. The question is, do do animals experience love, and if they do, how does that look? For a lot of psychological history, we didn't think that they did, right? A lot of behaviorists, we'll learn about them later, felt that a lot of what we perceived as love, your dog comes to you, your cat, is only the result of you feeding them. But if you stop feeding them, they wouldn't love you, right? But now, we know about neurotransmitters. We know about hormones. We can draw blood, look at hormones, then draw it again later, and we can see if the certain hormones change, which is what we did. So we're able to measure how different animals experience love, and it's I find it quite profound, right? Quite yeah, it gives you a new perspective. I think I've talked about it with you. I've been lucky in my life to have lots of amazing pets, right? Growing up, my house was like, I don't think you guys know who Dr. Doolittle is, do you? Had birds, canary, parakeets, fish tank, a couple of cats, dogs. It was fantastic. Um, and after reading the article that I've assigned, where you're going to click on that article, the link's right here, and it'll take you to this, right? And you'll see there's 6 questions. And here we have our article. This is from The Atlantic. It's a magazine. I'm going to ask you to, copy these questions. You can write them right on the doc when you do it, and write it below and put your responses, okay? And show me that you're reading the article. And remember our rubric. Last week, I went over the expectations. I'm going to actually put something up, make a separate video about grading. But you want to explain yourself. If you give an answer, support it with evidence from the text. Also, last week, there was a slideshow, and it ended with these questions. And I didn't collect it. Some of you shared it. We're gonna do it this week. I'm gonna ask that you get those questions. In fact, I'll do this right now, and I'm gonna paste them. Is it gonna let me? Let's see if it does. I don't want it italicized. It's gonna italicize it. No, it didn't. I'm gonna paste them right here, which I did, and I'm gonna ask that you just answer them on this doc, right? But you're gonna need that slideshow from last week. When you get that done, that's the main work we're doing this week. On Thursday, I'm introducing a new topic called, well, we'll see. I'll start to wrap it up, okay? And I may give you like a take-home assessment that we'll look at, but it'll be a chance for you to put some of your thoughts and opinions there as well. So otherwise, that's it. Hope you're all well, and I'll see everybody tomorrow at school, okay?